Welcome to Animator, the very powerful and popular post-processor that has been around since the early 90s. GNS Animator is brought to you by CDH. Today's video is creating session files. Almost all actions in Animator 4 are based on commands. To enable a replay of previous Animator 4 session, these commands are gathered in a session file called a4.ses, which will be located in your current working directory. This file contains all commands and mouse actions. Opening an existing session file in Animator is easy enough. Just File, Open, Session, and grab your file. Once you hit Apply, you will notice in the lower left-hand corner all the commands being played out that are in the session file. In this particular session file, it's reading and synchronizing both the test data, overlaying on the result data, and animating. The session files are editable. This is the actual session file that we just witnessed. And even though there's quite a bit of action, the session file itself is quite small. Everything here is each command that was executed. To create session files, simply go to File, Save As, Session. You have many options to choose from, or you can grab single actions such as cross sections, creating function bars, assigning specific colors, the element quality rankings, curve input files, and as we saw earlier, created videos and calibration of those videos. You can also create the window layouts, user created variables, and as you can see, there are many options to include in your session file. Some of our customers have designated groups whose sole purpose is just to create session files. It is a very powerful and popular tool within Animator. Animator session files are a very useful and efficient way to create presentations and run multiple iterations when needed. This next session file is very complex and impressive. It includes reading the model and the results, displaying contour plots, bar charts and calculations, curve data, formatting it all to get ready for presentations. Other things you are seeing in this session file are the presentation layouts and the presentation template. What you are seeing here are the contents of the presentation window, and the next thing you will see are the contents of the model window. In this case, a cross-section of the model, animation of the cross-section, and going into the cross-section menu and turning on half the vehicle. You can export the presentation in 4 different formats: ASCII, OpenOffice, PDF, and PostScript. Thank you for your attention, and feel free to contact us if you have any further questions or would like a trial license.